So once again, a very good morning to all of you. I welcome you all to day 2 of our 50th regional conference of EIRC of ICAI. Today's session, we will be discussing Connecting to the Roots, Storytelling by Kolkata, original chartered accountants who will be sharing their experiences. I welcome today's speakers and moderator to come on the dais, CA Vinit Sonthalia ji, CA Neeraj Jaiswal, CA Sanjay Sharda, and CA Preeti Jalan, and CA Vikas Jain ji, to please take their seats on the dais. So friends, I'll just introduce in brief all our speakers and moderator. Vinit Sonthalia ji, a chartered accountant and a president of Gitanjali Express. He is heading the Global Internal Audit, Pan Asia and Asia Pacific for Internal Audit and Compliance, Stellantis NV. We have Neeraj Jaiswal ji. He is a fellow member of the Institute and holds a diploma in cyber laws from the Indian Law Institute. He has been associated with a lot of known hospitals, Apollo Hospitals, Woodland, Bhagirathi Nevartia, etc. He has been to a CFO, India of Medicover Group. He manages 25 hospitals, fertility chain and captive software businesses. I welcome you, sir. CA Sanjay Sharda ji. He is the leadership within the Tata Group. He has rich experience in finance. He is being the leader known for strategic insights, effective communications, and collaborative negotiation skills. I welcome you, sir. We have CA Preeti Jalan. She has been across the big 4 firms. After qualifying, she began his career in KPMG. She has diversified portfolio transaction advisory histories across US GAAP, IFRS, Ind AS, UK GAAP. She is known for her technical strength, attention to quality, and collaborative leadership style. I welcome you, ma'am. We have the moderator of the session, Vikas Jain ji. He is the past chairman of EIRC of ICAI, and his area of practice is debt syndication, fundraising, and private equity mergers and acquisitions. I welcome you all to today's session, sir, and hand over the proceedings to, I would request for felicitation, and I would request Pradeep ji, Modi ji, please come forward for felicitation, or Vikas Jain ji. A big round of applause. I would also request Kushal Bhuwania to kindly felicitate Vinit Sonthalia ji. Thank you. I would request one lady member on the second. Please come forward for felicitation. Yeah. To Preeti Jalan ji. Thank you. I'd request the sir in the second row, please come forward to felicitate Sanjay Sharda ji. I request the second lady and the second dais, second seating, please come forward and facilitate Neeraj Jaiswal ji. Yeah, please. Memento आ गया Memento आ गया अभी दे दो. I would also request to present the memento for the speakers and the moderator. I'd request again in the same order, Pradeep ji, please come and felicitate with the memento. Modi ji, please. Please, if you can once again come forward. The lady on the, please, for the memento. Please. Kushal ji. Ma'am, please. Thank you. I'll hand over the proceeding to our moderator, Vikas Jain ji, to take forward.
Hello. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, let me thank C. Vishnu Tulsian and Team EIRC for having given us this opportunity of interacting amongst ourselves and with you at large, and the members of the Gitanjali Express Members Welfare Society based out of Mumbai. We're extremely thankful to Team EIRC for giving us this opportunity to share our thoughts, our views, going back to our roots, very aptly entitled, Connecting to the Roots. In the next 50 to 60 minutes, you'll see as to how this group, they've diversified, they've moved on with a very humble background, humble roots based out of Calcutta or the eastern region, and then moved out of places to Mumbai and far ahead as well. Now, prior to commencing the session, I would request our chairman, EIRC, C.A. Vishnu Tulsian, to please come forward and address the House. Then we can take the proceedings further. C.A. Vishnu Tulsian, please.
Good morning to everyone. Yes, great. Vikas sir told me that he's humble and he's fortunate that he got this session to moderate this. I think I am humble that you accepted this invitation from our side that you will moderate this session. So kudos go to Vikas Jain ji and not me. Second, the topic of today is how to connect the roots. Friends, I just want to say that when I assumed the power as the chairman of Eastern India, which consists of 11 states, including Northeast, West Bengal, Odisha, and Andaman Nicobar. Now, the day one when I came to the power, I took two decisions. One is remove plastics. But unfortunately, we are getting the plastic here, so I request the organizers to please remove the plastic from the dioceses afterwards. So we are dedicatedly not using any plastic. Hence, today's event is carbon neutral. We are not using plastic anywhere, from the folders to everything. So please remove this plastic after this session. Second, flower bouquet. I removed this concept of flower bouquet and implanted plants so that we can aid our Mother Earth with the greeneries. So this was taken two things from our side. And third, what was surprising to me that Calcutta was the capital city in sometimes maybe 60, 70 years back. But why we are not so today? 1911. So I thought that Actually, I have learned also a lot of stories from the Calcutta कि यहाँ के लोग इतने अच्छे होते हैं, बाहर जाते हैं, सब कुछ करते हैं, talented होते हैं. तो talent कहाँ चला गया सब? अचानक गायब तो हुआ नहीं, कुछ तो reason रहे होंगे. Then I thought, why don't to check where our roots is there? So I started meeting people, talking with people. Then I came to know Gitanjali is there, who is the hub of talents from Kolkata. Then I connected one person, then 2 persons, then 3 persons, then 4 persons like that. And this started creating one tree. And today I am sitting with the trees of the Gitanjali and the Calcuttas. And feel so happy that I am with the roots. I am with the trees who was the person who went from Calcutta to outside Mumbai, and heading 650 chartered accountants from Gitanjali, who is heading top positions of the different companies, top notch companies of the India. So good. So I really thanks that Gitanjali is coming forward with very aggressively and performing maximum roles, including Sanjay Sarda ji, who was day and night he was with me. In the morning 7 o'clock, at the night 11 p.m. or 12 p.m. And I did one mischief with him. मैंने उनसे एक गुस्ताखी की उनके साथ. मैंने क्या किया ना, एक बार उनके वाइफ को बुलाया इंस्टीट्यूट में. तो वो बोलते भाई जाता हूँ, तो वाइफ बोलती कहाँ रुक जाते हो रात तक, इतने रात से क्यों आते हो? तो मैंने काम कर अपनी फैमिली को इंस्टीट्यूट लेके आ जाओ. मैंने उनके साथ में खाना खाया और बच्चे को चॉकलेट दी. वो बताया कि भाभी अब जब भी अरे समझो संजय यहीं पे है. उसके बाद से ना वो रात में 2 बजे तक बैठते मेरे साथ में. तो आई दिस mischief for the purpose good cause, not the bad cause. तो it happened like that. तो अल्टीमेटली फिर एक बार में वो राकेश जी आए, अरविंद जी आए, अरविंद जी आए, एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल केम. और हम लोग जो काउंसिल रूम में इतना ज़बरदस्त हंगामा चल रहा था उस समय, कोई चाट खा रहा है, कोई पकौड़ा खा रहा है, कोई विनीता वहाँ पे थी, सब लोग वहाँ पे थे. इतना मज़ा लगा कि लगता है हम घर में शादियाँ कर रहे हैं. इस माहौल में हम लोग जिए. वहाँ पे हम लोगों ने अपनी बाइट्स दी, हम लोगों ने सारे ग्रुप को इंगेज किया. सबको जब बोला आप कलकत्ता आना है, काफ़ी लोग बहुत खुश थे. एक एग्जाम्पल सामने में आपके बैठे हैं सर कि आज 21 तारीख के कोई प्लान था कहीं पे जाने का, कुछ था. उन्होंने मुझे फ़ोन से बोला मैं आ नहीं पाऊँगा. मतलब बस कलकत्ता आना ही पड़ेगा ना, कैसे जाओगे? इन्होंने पुराना प्रोग्राम कैंसिल करके वो कलकत्ता में है, वो 2 दिन से हैं. So kudos goes to you also, sir, that you came here, and many people are sitting here and sacrifices. Mahendra Bia, he is my neighbor, but I was not knowing he is such a good person. He is such a heavy person है. हमारे ग्रुप में VIP के लिए ग्रुप में है वो, but हमें इनके बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा मालूम नहीं था. But he also supporting so church. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा एक arrangement भी किया उन्होंने. तो thanks to Bunesh Bia also, and many people. जयसवाल सर है यहाँ पे, नवीन तो खैर मेरा छोटा भाई है, कोई इशू नहीं है. कुशल भी यहाँ पे हैं. तो विद दिस वे वी स्टार्टेड ए फैमिली फंक्शन. और मुझे जान के बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि आप इतने बड़े लेवल पे रह के भी आप यहाँ पर बहुत अपने छोटे से जीवन को, सिंपल जीवन को एंजॉय कर रहे हो. दिस वेरी गुड फीलिंग टू मी, एंड आई विल चेरिश इट थ्रू आउट माई लाइफ. So with these remarks, thank you so much for coming here and enjoy everything. I am there for you. Thank you.
Hello. Well, friends, you couldn't have a humble introduction such as our chairman, what he has done. I request all of you to carry it with a warm round of applause for C.A. Vishnu Tulsian. You see, whatever is contemplated, it all happens from the top level. And इसको just थोड़ा trigger किया था कि विष्णु एक session यार गीतांजलि को भी मिलना चाहिए. तो the moment this was done, and he accepted with aplomb. So grateful once again to Vishnu and the entire team EIRC. Now I guess it's time we get into our robust business session. और ये business session कुछ इस तरह का होगा. Trust me, my dear friends, ये कुछ इस तरह का थोड़ा formal कम रहेगा, informal ज़्यादा रहेगा. But in the course of the discussions, you'll hear from the stories of each of the panelists over here. Not only over here, from the floor as well. Vineet is there, Mahendraji is there, Ajay is there, और जो Anshul is there. Anshul तो हमारा backbone है. Hailing from my school, मतलब school days का याद दिला देता था, right? So अभी और भी कुछ join करने वाला है, अरविंद आने वाला है. So इसमें क्या हुआ, गीतांजलि एक्सप्रेस कैसे क्या बना नहीं बना, ये गीतांजलि एक्सप्रेस है क्या, ये अपने आप में एक एनिग्मा है, मतलब एक puzzling है क्या चीज़. तो उसको पहले unfold करते हैं. और कुछ जो founders, they took all the initiatives. We are grateful to them. We'll, recount their names, their contribution way back in 2012-13, if I remember, Vineet. 2008 you started, right? So it's a good 17-18 years back. इट टुक रूट्स, और आज रूट से वो एक सॉर्ट ऑफ बैनियन ट्री बनते जा रहा है. तो जैसे से हुआ ये आप लोगों को अभी डिस्कशंस के दौरान मिलेगा. नाउ एट द आउटसेट लेट मी रिक्वेस्ट आवर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ Gitanjali Express Members Welfare Society, Vineet, to come forward and introduce what Gitanjali Express is all about. Vineet, the floor is yours.
Good morning, friends, and thanks to the ERC who has invited us, to showcase our potential and what we are doing. I mean, how we are still connected with our roots. Maybe, just to start, let me introduce myself, not as a CA, but as a root to this region. So, I am basically born and brought up in Calcutta only. From Howrah Shibpur. So till my CA certification, so in 2005, basically I got this certification, and during my first, job interview, I was selected for Mumbai. Now a person who has never been outside Calcutta, who was in the comfort zone, or everything is there. We all know that. You call it and we have it, from the education to everything, and there the Dak started. I'm going to a unknown territory, Mumbai, which is quite complicated, quite competitive, different culture altogether. But anyway, it is part of the job, and it was first job to Kotak Mahindra Bank, and I was really thrilled to join a, emerging bank. So fine, I started packing my bag and all. I got a flight ticket, my first flight, but somehow I missed that. And not because that I wanted to, it just happened. And then I become a little sad. And then, because of our culture, all my friends, my relative, भाई तुझे तो बेच के ही रहेंगे हम लोग, तुझे तो यहाँ रखना नहीं है. तो now they somehow manage Gitanjali Express train, who travels from Howrah to Mumbai. So somehow I just boarded that train. I came to Mumbai, and there was a different culture altogether. Nobody is known to me. Different culture, language barrier is there, lot of challenges, lot of professionals. And I was like, at least for a minimum 6 months, I was like literally, crying internally, saying that, yaar, kahan aa gaya main? Kahan phas gaya main? It is no doubt a dream, but honestly, the power which I was having, the CA degree, it has got an immense power, and with a dream that ये degree है तो कुछ तो कर लूँगा और कुछ ज़्यादा ही करूँगा, छोटा तो नहीं करूँगा मैं. तो उस जज्बे के साथ में I just started my journey. But एक गैप, वैक्यूम गैप एक मन में हमेशा रहता है, because यहाँ का जो झालमुड़ी है, यहाँ का जो समोसा है, सिंगाड़ा है, नॉट समोसा ऐसे, सिंगाड़ा है यहाँ का. तो यहाँ के जो खान पीन है और यहाँ का जो अड्डाबाजी है, जो शाम को बैठ के हम अड्डाबाजी करते हैं, कोई भी टॉपिक पे लेके कुछ भी डिस्कशन चालू और झगड़ लेते हैं एक दूसरे, और दूसरा दिन वही चालू हो जाता है. सो दैट और द सेलिब्रेशन, दुर्गा पूजा में 7-8 दिन बैठ के घूमो फैमिली के साथ में, और दैट ओपननेस, बिकॉज दैट कि कलकत्ता में तो पड़ोस का घर भी अपना ही है और अपना घर भी पड़ोस का ही है, इसके दरवाजे हमेशा खुले ही रहते हैं. और मुंबई वॉज वेरी डिफरेंट, वहाँ हम दरवाज़ा कभी खुलता ही नहीं है, वो हमेशा बंद ही रहता है, चाहे अपना हो चाहे पड़ोस का हो. सो दैट गैप वॉज ऑलवेज देयर. सो वो ये कल्चरल गैप कैसे करें? Of course, a little frustration was always there. Then I came to know about this Gitanjali Express, which was founded by some of the chartered accountants from the eastern region and now settled in Mumbai at that point of time. So इसके बारे में पता चला कि they have just founded that, and I joined that. And then वो बोलते हैं ना, लोग जुड़ते गए और कारवा बनता गया. And now we have almost like 1,200 plus family members. Chartered accountants, 700 maybe. Why we are saying as a 1,200? Because we not only consider the CA profession as our member, we consider their family as our family. So वो experience जो है ना, वो हम जीते हैं वहाँ पे. So we have completely recreated the entire Calcutta experience. वो खाना पीना, the celebration, और the support system in Gitanjali. और वो अब इतना बड़ा बन गया है कि now for any kind of support, any kind of learning, any ideas, we keep on discussing in that platform. You say it, and we have the kind of title. आप CXO बोलो, आप founder बोलो, CFO बोलो, C-suits, IRS, इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग से है, आपका ब्रोकिंग हाउसेज, रेटिंग एजेंसी, हम सब है वहाँ पे उस मेंबर में. And that kind of ecosystem we have built. And the program which we enjoy is amazing. You know, हम वहाँ पे वो कलकत्ता का पुचका भी रखते हैं, वहाँ का कटलेट भी रखते हैं, वहाँ हम अड्डा एडवांटेज बोल के एक सेशन भी करते हैं जहाँ पे हम वो यहाँ के अड्डे के यहाँ जैसे अड्डा करते थे उस तरह का हम वहाँ पे वो एक्सचेंज करते हैं हमारा व्यूज़, कोई भी कंट्रोवर्शियल टॉपिक्स. सो दिस इज़ हाउ वी हैव क्रिएटेड. हमारा साल में कम से कम भी 20-25 एक्टिविटीज़ होता है. आई से द प्रोग्राम्स हर महीना 2-3 होता ही है. और वी कॉल एमिनेंट स्पीकर्स. The most interesting part is we don't have only these kind of people, you know, who are into a very leadership role या कुछ founders है. We have freshers also, like me. You know, जो नए नए चार्टर्ड बने हैं और जो मुंबई में जिनका जॉब लगा. So we are their support system. तो उनको मालूम है कि गीतांजलि है जो उनको सपोर्ट करेगा from the start to end. And not only fresher, we have created a foundation as a registered society. तो ये, I mean, apart from the Gitanjali Express Member Welfare Association or a society, we have a Gitanjali Express Foundation also, which looks to the chartered accountants, or I'll say the candidate students from the eastern region who wanted to pursue CA in Mumbai. So we provide them scholarship, we support them in getting articleship in Big Fours or Big Fives, we provide them accommodation in a very big hostel, we provide them job when they, you know, pass out that CA, and the other ecosystem, other supports in the entire career life in settling them, not only them, their family. And we also felicitate or, you know, encourage our students, I mean, our kids also. By motivating them, we got a lot of motivational speaker also. हम offsite भी जाते हैं, हमारा bonding भी काफ़ी अच्छा होता है उससे. And I'll tell you, the most interesting thing is during the COVID के टाइम में we all have seen that era. हमारे मेंबर में इतना सपोर्ट और इतना बॉन्डिंग था, हमारे यहाँ पे एक भी कैजुअलिटी नहीं हुई, नॉट इवन सिंगल इन दैट बिग कम्युनिटी. किसी को कुछ भी होता है तुरंत सपोर्ट तैयार है, बिकॉज वी हैव दैट कनेक्ट एट ए गवर्नमेंट लेवल, एट अ बिग कॉर्पोरेट लेवल, डाउन टू द लेवल जहाँ पे हम आपको व्हीकल प्रोवाइड करके तुरंत उसको उठा के, यू नो, उनको सर्विस प्रोवाइड करना, वो कोविड रिलेटेड से एवरीथिंग वी हैव प्रोवाइडेड, नॉट इवन अ सिंगल कैजुअलिटी और इवन अ सफरिंग. सो दैट इकोसिस्टम, एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल बताता हूँ कि मतलब वी आर सो कनेक्टेड कि यहाँ से अगर वहाँ एक ग्रुप में आ जाता है कि भैया उधर से कोई आ रहा है क्या, एक पर्टिकुलर मेडिसिन मंगाना है मुझे कलकत्ता से, तो 2-4 लोग तो ऐसे ही हाथ खड़ा कर देते हैं कि भैया मैं कल आ रहा हूँ तो मुझे भिजवा दे, मैं डिलीवर करवा दूँगा. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ इकोसिस्टम वी हैव. कैंसर स्पेशलिस्ट, आई मीन IRS officers, we have Neeraj ji who's running a hospital also. So, I mean, you name it, we have it. It's more like that. So in short, so this in short, I mean, the introduction of Gitanjali Express, and I'm really honored that you all are here. And जैसे वो DDLG वो movie में है ना, वो शाहरुख खान वो शिवरन को बोलता है वो catching a hand. So we are there now. हम मुंबई में है, and we are extending our arms to you guys. Calcutta, जिसको आना है, हम है already. जो उस समय हम नहीं, मतलब उस समय नहीं था. Everyone was confused, but now we are there. That's all from my side. And I want to run a short video about Gitanjali Express. Deep.
2859 Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, Howrah, Gitanjali Superfast Express is arriving shortly.
So you can see the logo of Gitanjali Express. It's actually a combination of two bridges, Calcutta Bridge and Mumbai Bridge. But definitely it's not, the name is not because I missed the flight and I catch the Gitanjali Express. It's the name and curated by the founding member. We'll talk to them also. Can we have a second video? This is
Hello
our Kautalya
everyone.
scholar.
Today I just want to take a moment to share something I'm truly thankful for. I genuinely am grateful that I got connected to Gitanjali Express. That one connection opened doors that I never imagined. It's the reason I got opportunity to move to Mumbai and then start my articleship journey at Deloitte and then my industrial in Aditya Birla Group. It wasn't just about the financial support, but it was also about the mentoring, the guidance, and the confidence that they gave me, especially when I was stepping into a new city, living alone for the first time, and trying to find a place in this new corporate world. Every small piece of advice helped me stand a little stronger. So thank you, Gitanjali Express, for believing in me and shaping this chapter of my life in such a meaningful way. Thank you.
We have a third video from a member. You know, unfortunately, she could not travel to Calcutta because of some personal reason, but she said that, yeah, I wanted to speak. So we just have a small bite which we have recorded and wanted to play among you all. If you can have the third one.
Suprabhat Kolkata. Kem Cho. I am CA Ritu Bogi, belonging to Kolkata, now residing in Mumbai. I have been proudly associated with Gitanjali since I shifted to Mumbai. Gitanjali connects me to the roots of Kolkata and brings the vibrant culture to the city of dreams. In Gitanjali, we celebrate festivals like Saraswati Puja and Sindoor Khela with our family and enjoy the Kolkata delicacies. Thank you, Gitanjali, for bringing the joy of Kolkata to Amchi, Mumbai.
Thank you. So as I said, we are not a professional society. We are a family. We live that emotions. और वो हर चीज में हमारा इमोशंस रहता है एंड दैट प्रोवाइड दैट कि हाउ वी आर कनेक्टेड टू कैलकाटा और द ईस्टर्न रीजन कुछ भी करें और कोई भी इवेंट के बाद में हम वो एक बोलते हैं ना गूज बम लेके जाते हैं अपने घर पे सो व्हाट यू विकास जी
Thank you, Vineet. I guess now you have a flavor of what Gitanjali Express is all about. चलो इसमें बातें अपने चलती रहेगी. Meanwhile, मैं जो पैनलिस्ट हैं उनको इनवाइट करता हूँ one by one. To start off, Neeraj ji, how about you sharing your thought processes about your initial days in Calcutta, your schooling, your college, your articleship, या yesteryears के जो Sunday test भी होते थे, वो करने के बाद वो आपका अनुभव कैसा था? And then how did you land up in your professional journey in Bombay?
Thanks for inviting us here for Gitanjali session. Because early days, like I'm sixth generation born in Calcutta, then chosen to move out of Calcutta to Mumbai in the year 2013. And 1993, when I started my journey for CA as an article. And I'll be absolutely honest, we come from a business family. And when you are roughly around 18, 19, when you see the color of money at the shop or whatever business you're there, you lose the esteem for studies. It happened with my parent, my father, uncle, and nobody could complete a graduation. So I can proudly say I was the first graduate in my family. So that was but I was determined to complete my education. नहीं पढ़ाई तो करनी है भाई. And कुछ ऐसा था कि CA के प्रोफेशन का नशा लगा था 9वीं साल 9th class में और पढ़ना ही था मुझे. That was it. Like it's a very tough decision to leave the business and come to education. वो मुश्किल था, काफ़ी मुश्किल था, but somehow I achieved that. And to do that, parallelly, to tell them that no, I am into the business, but I'll not take over my family business of iron steel merchant. So I started my own passion and completed my passion for photography and act as like a professional photographer for cinematography and an editor. So that I parallelly juggled and then completed this education. And that also took coming for this passion for, so technically life took me from editor to auditor. And then आर्टिकलशिप का कुछ पता नहीं था, CA फॉर्म का कुछ भी पता नहीं था, कहाँ पे होता है कुछ भी पता नहीं था, बट आई वाज डिटरमिन्ड. ढूंढते ढूंढते पहले तो आर्टिकलशिप मिली बहुत मुश्किल से, क्योंकि कोई भी नहीं था फैमिली से जो ये बताए कि दूर दूर तक कोई नहीं था कि चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट कौन होता है, हमारे फैमिली में कोई भी नहीं था. तो आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट जर्नी टू फाइंड अ फॉर्म. स्टार्ट की, फिर संडे टेस्ट हमारा आया. तो संडे टेस्ट वॉज लिटिल बिट चैलेंजिंग, बट इट वॉज वेरी गुड सेशन. आज पता नहीं कैसे होता है. It was very good session और फ्रेंड्स मिल गए काफ़ी जिन्होंने सपोर्ट किया पढ़ाई के लिए. एंड देन गीतांजलि जब 2013 I landed in Mumbai then realized about the, somebody connected me. It was a very good experience with the team over here. We do a lot of activity, as you said, on, I'm the spoke for the healthcare need for the whole Gitanjali group because I worked in hospital in Calcutta, many of the hospitals, then moved to hospital in Mumbai. So I have advantage in COVID to support at the local team in Gitanjali and Mumbai, as well as their family, extended family in Kolkata. So almost 2 या 3 request आती थी, कुछ कभी patient के bed नहीं मिल रहे हैं, कभी कुछ भी. And due to connect from the Calcutta and landing in Mumbai, it was very helpful to provide support to all the members of Gitanjali extended family in Kolkata, and Kolkata supported at point of time and very well. And regarding Sunday test की जो हमारी चिट्ठी हम डालते थे, वो शायद अभी के जनरेशन को नहीं पता होगा. पोस्ट कार्ड लिखो और आर्टिकलशिप में हम ट्रेन पकड़ के भागना पड़ता था. अभी एक लगेज बंधा ही रहता था और एक दूसरा जब लौट के आते थे अगले दिन के लिए फिर तैयार मिलता था. घर पे लोग प्रिपेयर करके रखते थे और वो सैटरडे हम ऑफिस में जाकर रिपोर्ट करते थे और संडे टेस्ट अगले दिन होता था. तैयारियां ट्रेन में ही करनी पड़ती थी. जब हम चल रहे हैं साउथ इंडिया से 8 घंटे 10 घंटे, संडे टेस्ट डाला, कार्ड डाला, दोस्त को एडवांस में लिख के डालते थे, देख इस दिन मैं आ रहा हूँ तुम डाल देना, क्योंकि मैं वेडनेसडे के तक डालना पड़ता था और मैं साउथ इंडिया में होता तो व्हाट्सएप और ईमेल का ज़माना था नहीं कि भाई हम पहले कम्युनिकेट करें. बहुत ही दिक्कत. एडवांस में 3-4 डाल देते थे, फिर पता, और पैरेलली 3-4 सब्जेक्ट पढ़ के रखते तो दो आप एक ही डाल लो, नाम आपका आएगा, 1-2 डालो. कभी कभी जो फ्रेंड्स होते थे डालना भूल जाते थे. So it was very like, but the support system of Sunday test, I think current generation misses a lot. I don't know what is the process now, but it was very fun, and the friends made life easier for dropping those things and then assembling for the preparing for those days. और सामने अपना संडे के सामने अपना चाय समोसा संडे टेस्ट के बाद, वो आज भी मिस करते हैं. वापस शुरू हो जाए तो मुश्किल फिर आ जाए. वापस से संडे टेस्ट देने के लिए हम तैयार हैं.
हेलो हेलो. नहीं मोदी जी, वो तो देखिए अपने सबका अनुभव है कैसे सीरीज एक्सचेंज होता था, वो सब ये यंगर जनरेशन वाले जानेंगे नहीं संडे टेस्ट का मजा क्या था. एनीवे प्रीति, हाउ अबाउट यू शेयरिंग योर थॉट्स अबाउट योर प्रोफेशनल जर्नी फ्रॉम कैलकाटा देन टू बैंगलोर एंड देन far ahead as far as London. Please share your thoughts.
Hello everyone. So my experience, like when I started my journey of CA from here, it was so nice. I like how Vinit and everyone mentioned, वो time जब हम school college भी जाते थे, articleship भी करते थे, tuitions भी attend करनी होती थी, like so much of determination still, that this is the profession which can give us so much in our life. And it has. As soon as I qualified in 2012 and moved to Bangalore, I was so happy to join KPMG Bangalore because why not? Because I joined KPMG Bangalore. Of course, that was one happiness. But when I joined there, you will not believe, at least 50% of the population was from Calcutta, the CA. Right from the executives, right up to partners. Like, it was so good. It felt to me that I'm in Bangalore, but still in Kolkata. No, हम daily discuss करते थे कि उन्होंने articleship कहाँ से करी, उन्होंने क्या एक्सपीरियंस किया, अरे यार आज तो कचौरी नहीं हो पाया, आज तो सैंडविच खाना पड़ रहा है. It used to be so nice, like that helpfulness which we have of people in Kolkata, it helped us all of there. Yes, there is no Gitanjali there yet. I hope I will speak to people there that they do make something like that there. In London as well, yes, because this is such a nice initiative. And this really helps because मैंने विनीत जी को भी बोला, because I could so much connect to it. Because when I moved to Bangalore, I could feel that vacuum कि अभी तो कुछ पता नहीं है कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. There is, okay, I know some people there, but only they don't have so much of time to help everyone, right? So yes, that is very nice to connect to people of Kolkata there. जैसे ही पता चलता था, ओ वो कैलकाटा का है, like switch connect, like okay, so nice. अभी हम कॉफी पे मिल रहे हैं, अभी हम नाश्ता साथ कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद हम डिनर साथ में कर रहे हैं. It used to be so nice. It helped me to stay calm in a city which I don't know. वहाँ का language, वहाँ का lifestyle, everything is so different than in Calcutta. Even like I moved it's been what, 20 years, right? I moved out of Calcutta, but I still miss that essence of Calcutta. I'm in London now, been 6 years. Wahan pe bhi, you know, there are many places who do small events like Saraswati Puja celebration, Kali Puja. They do pandals of Durga Puja. Then all the foods there, they do sell puchka there, you know. They do sell Misti Doi is there. So it's, and the Kesi Das is there. So yes, we keep trying to connect, you know, going back to our roots. You know, me, my husband, we keep discussing, yaar, Misti Doi, yaar, aaj Misti Doi khane mil gaya, yaar, it's so nice, you know. So every year, that's why we make sure we come to Calcutta, we stay here, we eat here, we meet to family, we meet to our old friends, we go to our old adda places and like keep connecting back to the roots and not forgetting it, because to be honest, I still feel from my heart, Calcutta can never go out of me. You know, I will always be a Calcuttan, no matter what, no matter how much I grow, no matter where I am, but I'm still in the back of my mind, in my heart, I'm still a Calcuttan. So I think that helpfulness of people here, wo ek connection yahan pe jo hai, it has helped me to grow so much in London, like being so determined. I think I've learned somehow from people in Calcutta, you know, in articleship, वो student जब आप थके हारे articleship के बाद भी जब आप जाते थे tuitions में, they were full of energy, trying to help each other. हमारे time में Sunday tuitions exams नहीं होते थे, but like अगर कुछ notes miss हो गया है तो वो help करना. I think people in Calcutta are so nice, and it helps us remind ourselves in other countries or other cities as well that it's such a nice place and we love to connect back to here.
प्रीति, आई एम श्योर कि जिस तरह से आपने अपना जो नरेशन दिया, पीपल ओवर हियर जो यहाँ से चले गए, दे स्टिल यू नो रिकॉल एंड रिकलेक्ट कि यू नो गोइंग बैक टू द रूट्स और कनेक्टिंग द रूट्स वंस अगेन, हाउ नाइस इट फील्स. अब ऐसा हुआ कि यू नो मैं भी अपना जस्ट एक अनुभव शेयर करता हूँ. आई स्टार्टेड माई बॉम्बे प्रैक्टिस इन 2015. तो वो यूँ होता था कि लाइक आई वॉज ऑलवेज इन टू डेट सिंडिकेशन फाइनेंसिंग ओवर हियर. बहुत सारे कंपनीज यू नो दे फेल्ड द टर्बुलेंट टाइम्स. अब यहाँ उनको वो सपोर्ट सिस्टम में इंस्पायर्ड ऑफ माई बेस्ट अटेम्प्ट्स खोज नहीं पाया कि यहाँ कौन ARC मिलेगा, कौन ARD मिलेगा, कौन स्ट्रेस्ड फंड है, कुछ मालूम भी नहीं था. द मोमेंट आई लैंडेड अप ओवर देयर, और वहाँ पर इस तरह का मतलब मान लो कि ये प्रोफेशनल परस्यूट का था, इफ़ आई कुड यू नो डिलीवर सम यू नो solutions to these ailing clients or companies. So that was the time, you know, when I decided, you know, it is time now to set up an office in Mumbai. But some of you, those who may be knowing, I had my, you know, good stint at EIRC as well. I served as the chairman way back in 2007-8. और उस समय का अभी भी ये legacy चल रहा है कि like even yesterday when I was here, I was called upon the stage and there were so many past chairmen sitting around. तो एक अच्छा लगता है, you know, going back, recalling or recollecting all those days. अभी सब जो भी आपसे बता रहा हूँ, it's just coming instantly. कोई ये this is a storytelling session, sharing our experiences, कैसे यहाँ से इधर से उधर गए. संजय जो अपना संजय भाई जो बैठे मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में, ये तो नेपाली है भाई. कैसे कलकत्ता है और किस तरह से यहाँ एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट को हिलाया अपने संजय की जवानी से सुनते.
Thanks, Vikash. So for me, you know, the story started that I did my class 10th, my elementary schooling from Nepal. So my father has a small business in the eastern part of Nepal, and I did my class 10th from St. Joseph's over there in Biratnagar. And then it was कि भाई आगे next क्या, तो कोई doctor, कोई कुछ and all that. But I had something कि नहीं CA करना है, so let's move to Calcutta. So उस जिद से आ गया, no connect, nothing. When I came over here, I thought, ठीक है, school को, so I was, you know, among the top 3 in the top of the school. So I said, thought कि ठीक है आएंगे, आराम से हो जाएगा. But the real challenge started over here. So among all the schools, since one of my subject was Nepali, because over there, so none of the schools said in Calcutta, sorry, we cannot take you, because the West Bengal rules do not allow us to take any student who cannot take, you know, the subject for which we do not have teachers. So then it was a next other challenge. I said, kuch to hoga, because West Bengal mein there is a larger population of Darjeeling, which is Nepali. So how does, koi to uske papers check karta hoga, koi to idhar hoga. So I was not leaving it, and as I always have a habit of challenging things right from the school days and later on, I said, chalte hain Vikas Bhavan, kya hota hai. So bus वगैरह पकड़ करके I just moved on to Vikas Bhavan and directly बोला कि who is the deputy secretary, and just moved in his office. कि सर ऐसा तो वो बोले हो कौन भाई कैसे आ गए, तो हमने सर थोड़ा सा हेल्प चाहिए, आई एम इनटू अ रियल सिचुएशन. And then I narrated my situation. So he said, sir, the rules do not allow or permit us for any schools which are affiliated with the government to take students. Then how do I do? Do I lose the opportunity of studying this, studying here in Calcutta? Don't we have anything? What about if I take the decision that I will study this on my own, and you just tell me the name of the teachers who are the government approved, who, invigilators who are checking those papers. I will take care everything of them. So just hearing the entire conversation, he said, okay, go and meet these teachers. If they agree to give you tuition, and if your school agrees, then basis this letter and application we will allow. So ek do din I went there. So he was also, the teacher was also not very, Bhawanipur फिर जगू बाजार गया, वहाँ पे उनसे मिला, उनको request किया. He was also not very keen कि एक student के लिए क्या तो tuition देना and all that. But anyways, fast forward, I convinced him, got a letter from him, got a letter, gave the letter to the, the deputy secretary in Vikas Bhavan, and then finally convinced our teacher in charge. I got an admission in Maheshwari Vidyalaya, Bada Bazar, Calcutta. Because there was no, and obviously way back in 1997, finance was always a challenge, so as we came from a humble background, so the only thing which my father could afford was $2,000 per month. So there was a concept of Gaddi system, I feel most of you must be aware. So Bada Bazar, and just behind that Kali Godam place where the famous Bundiyas are famous. So वहाँ पे 2 तल्ले में बैठ करके चालू किया, and so I started with this journey. सुबह 7 से लेकर के 11 तक school, and after that again back to the Basa system or the mess system for having lunch, जिसके लिए 5 तल्ला चढ़ना, no lift and all that business, and then going back to the school library studying. And I said it is, leave it or, do it kind of a thing. So I tried my level best. The teachers who were in the morning session, they also used to be there in the classroom. So I, used to take help. Maths and statistics were first introduced in the school in that year, 97. So I said I will take maths and stats. And then, with all blessings and support of everybody, somehow I managed to top the Bada Bazar district in 1999, West Bengal board, 80%. So it was really a very pride moment for all of us, for me, for the school as well. And thankfully, I got into then Xavier's, and fast forward the CA story. So the point is, the city has given a lot to me. And it always had that if you have the grit, and if you feel that you want to do something, then the entire divine and the entire universe is there to support you. Yes, we were talking about articleship. वहाँ तो अलग मजा आया. Now I had no prior connections, नया जगह. So all of my friends that point of time, ठीक है, Big Four का तो सबका सपना रहता है. So we all were giving. So हम बोले कि अच्छा ठीक है, let me scale down my expectation, because reference भी नहीं है और भी नहीं है, तो चलो Big 8 में चलते हैं. Lodha and Company was my target. गए, interview वगैरह हुआ, all sorted. The last piece was, sir, reference. So I said, yes, I will figure it out. तो बोला अच्छा ठीक है. First audit, Times of India, SN Banerjee Road. चालू किया, and then ठीक है, so went on the audit. It was a stock audit and I think limited review thing, so we were doing. Pradeep Sengupta was the deputy finance head over there at that point in time. I still recall this gentleman. So after 2-3 weeks, there was a call from the Lodha and Company office. Sir, आज आप एक बार office आइएगा. I think some documentation is missing. Obviously, I was aware that the reference document, everybody was there. I had not. So I thought, while I was trying a lot, but getting a reference to an unknown guy was very difficult, because whomsoever I was knowing a bit of from a family relations, they were either from business, so वो connect था नहीं. So I was literally sad कि I think I'll have to think something else. So I went early in the morning. It was Friday, because Friday वो diary sheet submission का रहता है in the big. So I came at around 8:30 in the office. It was quite, low. So Pradeep sir asked, क्या हुआ भाई आज तुम इतना लो कैसे लग रहे हो? बोला नहीं सर, the only thing is थोड़ा सा I was in dilemma. वो ऑफिस में reference वाला thing है and I've not been able to figure out reference. So I don't know whether I'll be able to come to office from Monday or not. So बोला अच्छा ठीक है, बोला आराम से and आराम से नाश्ता वाश्ता करवाया and so he asked his office to send properly sandwiches, this that. बोला ठीक है तुम काम करो, do one thing, 5 बजे एक बार मेरे से मिल के जाना. I said okay fine. So 5 o'clock क्योंकि 5:30 बजे रिपोर्ट करना था मेरे को लोड एंड कंपनी में. So 5 बजे पहुँचे. He just got an envelope from his drawer and said कि this is what it is. आप जा करके अपने पार्टनर को दे दीजिएगा. I just opened it. He had personally recommended that I know this guy and please consider that. And literally tears rolled out from my eyes. Ki say, it was just a 3 weeks kind of a thing, and how the divine or the universe is there to support you. So then the story continued. Now coming, fast forward, okay, CA got qualified 2006 among multiple opportunities. So I decided to join Tata Steel. So take it. So Tata Steel joined here 2006. We have a good induction program of 14 days where, right from mines to offices and all that. So it was great. So after 14 days, when we went back to report for our relevant respective postings, so our chief financial controller at that point of time, Mr. VSN Murthy. So we were 3 of us at that point of time, myself, my friend Hitesh Doshi, and Vineet Goyal. So Vineet Goyal has moved on with City. Hitesh and myself are together. So we 3 were, so मतलब यहाँ से रख करके रखो आप 20 feet का मतलब it was a huge office kind of a thing. So he dashed out, these are your transfer orders. ठीक है, मेरे पास आया, तो देखें, you have been transferred as manager accounts, तारापुर. बोले यार ये क्या जगह है? उसके पास आया नुआ मुंडी. एटलीस्ट नुआ मुंडी पता था कि टाटा स्टील की माइंस है कलकत्ते के बगल में है. बोले यार ये तारापुर कौन सी जगह है? सो वहाँ से तो बाहर आए, एचआर से उसको पूछा, बोला हमको भी पता नहीं है भाई. तो हम बोला फिर किसको? एचआर से पूछो. सो वी स्पोक टू एचआर. देयर वाज अ गाय कॉल्ड सूरज दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम. बोला हाँ तारापुर बॉम्बे के बगल में है बॉस, चिंता क्यों कर रहे हो, जाओ, आई मीन यू हैव अ गुड टाइम. हम बोला अच्छा बॉम्बे के बगल में. तो फिर हम बोले बॉम्बे में कौन है, मतलब कलकत्ता से बॉम्बे, मेरे को तो लगा था कि यहीं नज़दीक में मिल जाएगा, इस बोल करके टाटा स्टील अप्लाई किया था. अब तो घर से और 2000 किलोमीटर दूर. सो देन पता लगा कि वी हैव समबडी फ्रॉम कैलकाटा हु इज़ देयर इन द ऑफिस, रोहिणी. सो आई जस्ट कॉल्ड अप टू हर नंबर. हम फिर बात किया and then she gave a kind of comfort. She was in the same division in which I was posted, wires division. She was handling the financial analysis. बोला हाँ ठीक है, चिंता मत करो, आ जाइए, आ जाओ, and we will have a good time. So, and we, proudly call her Ro, as we, in our normal lingo. So went to wire division and had a good time. So the initial thing started, and I always had a thing of, asking a lot of questions right from beginning. So my boss, that point of time, financial controller, he said कि अच्छा ठीक है, see, we want to move this entire invoice processing, freight processing back to Tarapur. Bombay city में ये सब करना थोड़ा सा difficult हो रहा है. Why don't you port it there to Tarapur? Plant है, थोड़ा easy हो जाएगा सारा. So entire thing. So वो processing सीखा, कितने जन लगे हुए हैं, कितने आदमी हैं, and all that, and I submitted a report within say 15 days or so कि सर इतना volume है, इतना time लग रहा है, and all that. Now, just one small story what made me stick to this place or how it connected. So, when I was in Tarapur, and one fine day, I just learned that from a plant there was some kind of exigency, and on taking that person from Tarapur is in the western suburb and industrial area. So वहाँ से उसको बॉम्बे ले जाते, there was a casualty. So I was sitting in the guest house, quite low. The chief or the plant operations that point of time, he said, क्या हुआ young man, why are you so low? डेढ़ 2 महीना हुआ था, and I was still getting chasers from TCS कि भाई आप हम सर मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है, एक तो यहाँ पे खाने पीने का कुछ ये नहीं है, इट्स अ जंगल काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, और कोई है नहीं यहाँ पे, ऑल यू नो वेरी सीनियर पीपल, और फिर ये कैजुअलिटी कुछ होता है तो 80 किलोमीटर, विन वी आर नॉट एबल टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर एम्प्लॉयज़, तो हम तो एक ही हैं सर अपने पेरेंट्स के, फिर पता लगेगा कि कंपनी इज़ नॉट एबल टू ये दिस थिंग, तो आई डोंट थिंक आई शुड बी स्टेइंग ओवर हियर। बोला नहीं नहीं ऐसा बात नहीं है, वी ऑल्सो हैव अ हॉस्पिटल, प्रॉब्लम ये है कि भाई द हॉस्पिटल हैज़ नॉट बीन यू नो प्रॉपरली मेंटेन्ड एटसेट्रा, सो इस बोल करके हम लोग अच्छा ऐसा है, तो हम लोग व्हाई डोंट यू डू वन थिंग, give me one opportunity, we have such a Tata Trust and all that, I will try and approach Tata Trust and we will put up a case and we will revive the hospital. What I need is just one administrator, 2 doctors and we will put up a plan. बोला तुमको लगता है टाटा ट्रस्ट पैसा देगा? हम लोग सब कोशिश करने में क्या जाता है, नहीं तो नहीं है, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है. So we together, it took 6 months, we put up a plan, couple of visits. So that point of time, our EIC was Mr. Sunil Bhaskar, the current, you know, CEO and MD of Vistara. So we did, we approached, you know, 6 months, lot of plan and all that. And fast forward today, we have been able to, you know, put up a hospital where we got the 3 crore grant. We got, you know, that hospital up and running, and there is a group, Thunga group, who's running the hospital over there, which gives immense joy and success. The point which I'm trying to say, make through these small, you know, snippets, is that this Calcutta Connect always helps. The kind of talent, the kind of energy, the kind of values and ethos the city brings in each one of us, because adversity, you know, makes you humble, makes you realize that how these small, small things are important in life. And that's where, you know, when you get opportunity for turning this, you know, adversity into something bigger, you essentially help in moving that into a more far better experience. So the idea is that how can we move these things for today's people. When I talk to my youngsters, to my colleagues, that experience is very important. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Sanjay, I guess, you know, you could relive your entire journey from your school days to college and CA, I mean, your professional pursuit. Now, quickly, just to inform the House as to how you become members of this coveted Gitanjali Express. इसमें कुछ conditions हैं कि आपको ईस्टर्न रीजन से होना पड़ेगा, आपकी आर्टिकलशिप या सी आपने यहाँ कंप्लीट किया, देन यू लैंड अप इन बॉम्बे, वहाँ आप या तो काम कर रहे हो या कोई जॉब में हो या अपना वहाँ योर डोमिसाइल ऑफ बॉम्बे एटलीस्ट, देन ओनली यू आर एडमिटेड. हमारे यहाँ ऐसे केसेस भी आए, हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ हैं, मान लो हस्बैंड ऑल लॉन्ग हैज़ बीन इन पुणे एंड नाउ ही शिफ्टेड टू मुंबई, बट जो फीमेल है स्पाउस है, she has been in Calcutta or eastern part of the country, she becomes a member और spouse को नहीं बनना मिला, तो ऐसा चीज़ है. So you need to have that kind of, you know, connect. Quickly, you know, just to before we wind off, in 30 to 40 seconds, I would request each one of you to share your professional pursuit as to how you have excelled in your profession, how keeping your Kolkata Connect intact, and post that, there are a couple of friends, you know, from Gitanjali Express in the house as well. I would request them also to share their thought processes as to how their Calcutta Connect has helped them to translate their roots in Mumbai or, you know, pursuing your professional pursuit. Starting off with Vineet.
Yeah, I mean, instead of me talking, I'll request my founding member, you know, who has curated the engine. हम तो सब डब्बे हैं. So I'll request Vineet Podar, who's one of the founding member, and fortunate that he is here, and he's so humble that कि भैया मुझे stage पे नहीं आना, तुम लोग चलाओ अब गाड़ी. But may I request just.
I think guys, it's a dream come true for me. We started in 2008. 8 लोग मिलते थे किसी न किसी के घर पे कि कुछ करना है. So every Sunday I used to go and take an excuse. So my wife used to ask, my father used to ask, हर Sunday कहाँ चला जाता है? So I thought, let's formalize it. And what Gitanjali you see today is the formalized way of meeting Calcutta people in Bombay. So the dream started there. And Especially, I just want to mention in COVID times, me, my father, my mother, we were all in government hospital, admitted for COVID, and my wife and my kids, you know, so I don't know what was happening to them. They also got COVID at the same time. So I just got a call from Gitanjali members, 4 or 5 of them. They formed a group. Well, now it's our family. You take care of your parents, and your wife and kids are my responsibility. And after 15 days, you know, I just came home, and they were all hale and hearty. 15 days, what happened, what tests they did, what doctors they consulted, whatever happened to my wife and kids, खाना देना, doctor को मिलवाना, test करवाना, everything was taken care by Gitanjali, and I'm very indebted to this platform today. Thank you.
Just a moment. You know, there are a couple of stories of these kinds actually, what Calcutta has really done, what Gitanjali has been all about. Neeraj, just in 30 seconds, your professional pursuit as to how you have excelled in your profession. पीछे की बात हो गई अभी, अब आगे अपने कैसे क्या आपने pursue?
नहीं, मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कलकत्ता छूटता नहीं है आपसे. आप जहाँ भी रहो, you can take out like a bong out of Calcutta, but you cannot take Kolkata out of a bong, right? So Calcutta Connect अभी भी है. जैसे अभी भी मुझे अगर कोई टीम चुनना पड़ता है अपने, हम लोग को पैन इंडिया ऑपरेशंस है. My preference is from a chartered accountant from Kolkata. So Delhi team में मनोज है from Siliguri. My tax head who takes care of we have a revenue of around 2,000 crores, and we have a Swedish company operating out of India. So national, international tax filing. My tax head is from a Maula Ali, Sialda का बंदा है. My company secretary team में 2 company secretary हैं from Calcutta. So that is like I'm still connected with the Calcutta roots. Always a preferred a team member from Calcutta. So that way I give back and extending the roots.
So this is why I'm saying, you know, we Eastern region people are considered to be the most intellectual person in the world. And this is a comment which was provided by my US boss.
So ये तो रहा ये talent capital बोलो आप cultural capital बोलो, from city of joy to city of dreams कैसे क्या translate किया, क्या transform किया. Preeti, in quick 30 seconds, your professional pursuit so far?
I will say that for me, वो जो determination जो Calcutta ने मुझे सिखाया during my articleship, and when I was studying, has really helped me to achieve what I have today. When I was with KPMG or even now in EY, you know, when I have a team member who is from Calcutta, वो एक back of the mind में आ जाता है, okay, this person is hardworking, इस पे rely कर सकते हैं, and he will do what he needs to do. Calcutta में रह के I have learned कि किसी भी situation में रह के आप कैसे determined रह सकते हो, फिर भी energetic रह सकते हो, which has really helped me to grow. And वो back of the mind में I always carry, which has helped me to take me professionally to where I am, and it keeps me connected to my roots here in Calcutta.
So, you know, before we wind off, just 3 or 4 members were sitting on the floor. I would request Anshul to take the lead, please. Anshul hai, Mahendra ji hai, Ajay hai, Robinda. Just in quick 20-30 seconds, please come forward. फटाफट इसको अपने round wrap up कर देंगे इसके बाद. Give it to Anshul, please. Give it to Anshul. He'll do the needful.
Sorry, I missed. What do you want me to do?
So Anshul, what I want is in quick 30 seconds, you are there, yes. Ajay is there, Mahendra ji हैं, Robinda हैं, और अगर कोई गीतांजलि फटाफट अपने 20-30 seconds से just quickly wrap up your experience.
I mean, not just Gitanjali, but generally, how many of us here are from Calcutta, CA from Calcutta, but working outside Calcutta? Just raise your hand. Some of us are in Bombay, and many of us are part of this organization called Gitanjali Express, but I'm sure some of us would be working out in some other city, associated in some other organization. I think whatever our esteemed panelists have shared on the floor, I carry the same feeling. I joined this organization 4 or 5 years ago, and I think my entire outlook, my entire journey in Bombay has had a very brilliant trajectory, which was unimaginable when I moved to Bombay. In my earlier avatar, I used to be a constant traveler and hopping between Calcutta to Bombay and other cities. But once I came across Gitanjali, I never felt like I need to hop on and off, and then I kind of now settled in an organization in Bombay. Yeah.
Pass it to Vineet, please.
So one thing I want to mention to all, you know, that if you are a CA from Calcutta, no, you can do anything. Well, I have tried in my life doing everything, मतलब कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इतना हाई रहता है कि you meet Modi ji, you meet any of the bureaucrats, you meet any of the industrialists. I worked in India, Bombay, Dubai, Singapore, right? So I've seen the world also. So that confidence never goes out. कि कुछ भी कर लेंगे, St. Xavier's College, Birla High School, it is all within. So that is one thing which is, so working with Birlas for 8 years, then last 20 years I've been CFO for various organizations, multinational, then working with 9 years with Wadias. So even dealing with tiger like Nasli Wadia, right? He's a known tiger in country. So dealing with them, then going to Dubai, being CFO for Marsh, and then MR Group again, working with the guy who created Burj Khalifa. So actually they are a terror, right? You think like a terror, but they are so humble, they are so great people to work with. So that confidence which I carried from Calcutta to Bombay to Singapore to Dubai and back to Bombay and now to Calcutta, it never goes away. So you can do anything. Just believe in yourself, world is yours.
So Vineet,
Yes,
I have one thing to add, Vineet, over here. What you said is that Chartered Accountant Calcutta is a brand. This is the Golden Jubilee Seminar. In the Platinum Jubilee Seminar, we'll be talking about the GI tag on the Chartered Accountant from Calcutta. And Gitanjali has taken a lead on that.
Yes, Ajay, please go ahead.
Yeah, Ajay. So I have been shifted to Bombay just 4 years back. The immediate family lives in Calcutta only. I stay alone there. But in Bombay, Gitanjali is my first family out there. Thanks.
Yes, Mahendraji, please. Anshul, do the running around here.
So, good morning, everyone. I would say that Calcutta is an emotion and that we carry wherever we go. So, you can see all around here. I think we don't have much time. So, let me just quickly share two incidents from my life. So, when you meet all these people around here, you just look at the success. We don't know about the struggle people have gone through. So, I shifted to Bombay in 1996. And I shifted with a job with a multinational company in Hong Kong. And I shifted to Bombay and I shifted my family 3 months later. In another 3 months' time, with a 3-month-old kid at home, I lost my job because of the Asian financial crisis. That company closed down. So that is the kind of struggle we have gone through. And how do you come back to Calcutta, tell everyone that, look, I went to Bombay. So there were some people who were in very good position with some banks, etc., who were from Kolkata, who helped me at that time, and that's how I revived my career. So I think connections always help. And as I said, that Kolkata is an emotion. So when you go and meet those people, they were immediately very helpful. The second, incident I want to relate for Gitanjali, because even at my level of connect, etc., in Bombay, I was struggling to get a personal thing done from one of the banks because my requirement was also a little bit odd. So one morning I was frustrated and I posted in Gitanjali group, "Yaar, ye chahiye, can someone help?" Trust me, by 9 o'clock, the senior management team of that bank was in my office saying, "Sir, kaise kar sakte?" So that is the power of Gitanjali Express. This is the kind of people you have in Gitanjali Express. So anyone who is now aspiring to go to Bombay as chartered accountant, I think Gitanjali is a platform which will welcome you, which will provide you all possible support. I think nowadays we need emotional support more than anything else. So I think Gitanjali, 3 cheers for Gitanjali.
So, we have another member. Anshul, if you could take the mic to Robinda, please, apna ek thought share karum. He's one of the senior most members in our Gitanjali Express.
Thank you. 30 seconds is time given.
Robinda, ek tu aage chale ashan.
I'm embarrassed actually to speak here. Well, thank you so much. I went to Bombay in a Gitanjali train. My dad did not even know that there is a reserved seat required. So whole night people crossed over me. I was sleeping on the floor. I had one trunk and the rest is history. Thank you very much. This is my family actually. This is a family which I belong to. Thank you all of you. And please join the family. Please join the family. This is something very special. And Gitanjali is a name which always provides me with the support and support. But thank you so very much. Thank you. Thank you, Vikas.
Thank you. Thank you, Robinda. So, you know, इसमें इतनी सी बात केवल बता दें, यहाँ हमारे हुगली नदी है, ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ गंगा, और वहाँ अरेबियन सी है. तो जब हम यहाँ से लैंड करते हैं फ्रॉम से सिटी ऑफ यू नो नदी से जब दरिया की ओर बढ़ते हैं, कोई ना कोई हाथ थामने वाला होता है. तो गीतांजलि एक्सप्रेस इस तरह का एक परिवार है. आपने अनुभव सुना अपने अन्य मेंबर्स का, अपने साथियों का, किस तरह से एक मतलब एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम एक प्ले करता है, क्या रोल प्ले करता है. मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली एक और बात बता दूं आपको, एक सीक्रेट, टॉप सीक्रेट इन गीतांजलि, only chartered accountants are, you know, entitled to become members of Gitanjali Express. बहुत ट्राई किया committees ने, managing committee, even I served over there as a committee member, कि और professionals को, company secretaries, cost accountants, MBAs इनको ले लें, but no, we stuck on to that कि नहीं, only chartered accountants would be entitled to become members of Gitanjali Express. Sanjay, quick wrap, then you know we'll wind it up.
Thanks, Vikas. So one thing, you know, the main theme and core ethos of Gitanjali is to give this holistic feeling of connectedness and wellness. Today, across, whether it is corporate or, you know, other places, we are talking highly about wellness. We are talking about emotional intelligence, and all these things are breeding from the fact that, you know, in the today's tech-driven situation where attention span are less, people are more towards nuclear families, support systems are getting limited, and resulting, you know, the kind of frustration, the kind of difficulties which people are experiencing. So these are actual challenges, and that was the basic, starting stone why Gitanjali. Because when I went in 2006 in Bombay, and one of my friend was in Malad, Prakash Bogi, and Saturday, Sunday, Friday evening from Tarapur, we just used to land to Bombay in his house. So E704, his flat was our permanent address kind of a thing. So point whatever is that this emotional connectedness, and when we said that, ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है क्या Prakash? Why? And then, you know, he spoke to a couple of other people and Gitanjali Express, and we got connected to Gitanjali Express in somewhat around 2007-8. So thank you for this platform, and thank you everybody for being here.
So thank you very much for being, you know, part of this audience, and thanks once again to Team EIRC for giving us this opportunity. Before I, you know, call it quits for the day, our founder members, one of them, Vineet, is here, Rakesh Soni, KL Rathi, Anup Agarwal, anyone else if I'm forgetting, Sachin Bhartia. So these are 5 or 6 of them, you know, they were far-sighted in their own ways. 2008, the journey started. This is 2025, fast forward, almost 17, 18 years down the line. This has been a wonderful journey, and I'm sure it will take roots further. And as Mahendra ji mentioned, jo aana chahe, you're most welcome. Chartered accountant hona jaruri hai. Eastern region se wo aaye, you're most welcome. Thank you very much. Thank you all the panelists for sharing your views. Thank you.
Friends, good afternoon. My name is Kushal Bhuwania, and on behalf of the EIRC, I would like to propose a hearty vote of thanks to respected moderator Vikas Jain ji and esteemed speakers Neeraj Jaiswal ji, Preeti Jalan ji, Sanjay Sada ji, Vineet Sonthalia ji, and everybody who shared their stories, you know, in this venue. Thank you for sharing your valuable insights and on the topic connecting to the roots. Your perspectives and were truly enlightening and inspiring, sir. Thank you all. And just like to add one thing, that it's amazing how Kolkata's food, those street eats and, you know, sweets and flavors served as a tasty thread connecting all the speakers' stories, missing the roots. So thank you all for sharing your experience via your journey. Sir, seriously, maza aa gaya sunkar. Thank you, and thank you all, and all the best, sir. Yeah.
My dear friends and my dear colleagues, my dear fellow chartered accountants, it's a proud moment for us that the largest ever conference is taking place.
Union Minister Suresh Prabhuji has sent one message from Singapore for all of us. So requested to please split this message.
My dear friends and my dear colleagues, my dear fellow chartered accountants, It's a proud moment for us that the largest ever conference is taking place in Kolkata, organized by Eastern India Regional Council, led by a very dynamic chairman, my dear friend Tulsian, CA Tulsian, who is doing a wonderful job leading this regional council, taking initiative to organize this conference, 50th of such conference, so it's very golden jubilee. One, and doing it in such a magnificent manner. The attendees are largest in number, participation is huge, outcome in terms of intellectual ideas is absolutely invaluable, and therefore I want to congratulate the chairman, CA Tulsian, for doing this. And I was about to attend this conference, but I'm traveling, I'm outside the country, and therefore I thought at least I'll send you this message of congratulations as well as of regrets of my own of inability to attend and also benefit from it. East is the most important part as created by the nature. Sun also rises in the east. The sunrise that comes after the sunrise radiates the world, creates a new feeling of a new beginning. And that's why when the sun has risen, today in Kolkata, in terms of new beginning, of new dawn, for a profession, I'm sure this will be the beginning of a new golden era, not only for a profession but for the country. I'm sure the thoughts and the ideas generated here will reverberate to the country and make policymakers take note of them to make sure that we make policies in response to such brilliant ideas. I wish you all the success. Today it's going to be the last day, but you will do well in terms of taking it forward, because I always believe that valedictory functions are the beginning function for the new ideas that have come up from this conference to take them forward. So all the best to you. Looking forward to working with you. Kolkata is my most favorite city, honestly. It's a city of joy, but for me, it's a city that I have a special place in my own heart. And we'll all work together. My dear friend, Mr. Tulsian, keep doing such good work. You already given a present recently to the ICI in form of CA Ranjit Agarwal, who did an amazing job in 1 year. So that shows the kind of talent that lies in Kolkata, in Eastern region, in West Bengal. All the best to you, my friends, and we'll continue to work together. Thank you very much.